chain by sick a sprocket. Dissect your head like where them do the frogging at the science class biology practical.
Practical, now that me a while ago, but dissect your brain like I know the frog in a science class, biology. Practical. But what on the what's up, beauty? What's up, beauty? What's up, beauty? What's up, beauty? What's good, you to Mr. Boy? To Mr. Boy, Harry Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. I want back in effect people with another. You know what that go. Boom, boom. What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Straight out of yard. You don't know what's happening now. So right now we have intense people. Pull up on the wheels, dog. Big up Trinity, man. Anyway, we have a man. We have a song called Pull Up, you know. People, them say the lyrical battle of one. But I say, I don't see the name call yet. You know, I don't see the extreme out of the way cover art yet. So I don't come say nothing but what the song says for you. So what go on. We say intense song called Pull Up, people. I don't think about the song. I don't listen to the song right now. The song post yesterday, but no, the song post last night. And me and do that something there. Me have my nice clean bed for go sleep in. You understand me? I say, I know me and Mr. Consistent and Mr. Quick, but no. And Intence just reposting video named Havoc. Not Havoc, shit. He just reposted video called No Behavior with the girl them. Watch a video already long time ago when he post. Must 1 week ago. And he repost it again because he must delete it or whatever. So we're not going to react to that one day. You see me? I'm telling them name Mr. On time. So I'm still song Just Drop. So I couldn't do the direction there, but I'm not do that one day. You see the comment on it, so? Comment on that one if you see your comment in the next video then. You will see what I go on for the song. Run tune!
No well, as he do some gunshot a bust up.
Yeah.
Anything you hear see me neck chat pussy will try know it goes up.
Yeah!
Frank I fling binds in a people, me no do the
Hold on, pause. People, on the ear the instrumental they are playing on the ears right now. Me not gonna tell you what kind of instrumental this sound like to me yet, you know. May I make it go like next 10 more seconds. But listen to the instrumental. Listen, people, listen.
Listen, can't catch them, murder them, look a cousin.
No, me forgot pause. Me never read for pause yet, you know. Me still not to know what the instrumental sound like yet, you know. But the dog say him can't catch them. So I'm gonna do what? Man, catch them, cousin. You catch it short. Merati, but go on. Listen to the instrumental.
Oops. Run it on records. Brawling no panic. Very schizophrenic. Pint the rifle over the.
Wanna panic? Pint the rifle over where? Hold on, pause. So I'm gonna tell you what instrumental sound like it. Me still not telling you why I sound like it. Me still not telling you what instrumental sound like it. Well, wait till we reach 5 minutes in the video. So watch the video. Like the video too. Go on.
It can go skip it from it. Yeah. The matic work out you that thing say it's a chip go on it.
What?
Evil magatic. Man a spare nobody.
What? Them think I cheap a cup. What? Even what? What? So skilly bang. Remember people skilly bang put lyrics on any piece of track, you know. Right now, Intence put some lyrics on that track right now. People, what instrumental that sound like to you? Me not telling you yet, you know. Me not telling you yet. But watch, go on.
The bomb I done the lane, the amount of people spread it.
Yeah.
Barrel a spin like a chain by sick a sprocket.
Yeah.
Dissect your head like when them do the frogging at the science
I
class.
spin like a chain bicycle. Span them ends. Pythematic down the street. Everybody. People, what an instrumental that sound like to? That instrumental that sweet, dog. Me not lie. Me not telling you yet, you know. Me not telling you yet, you know. Listen some more tune.
Biology practical. Frank White. Me play the kid, the venom in and me out.
Hold on there. Cut the frog in a science class. Hold on there.
Real a spin like a chain by sick a sprocket.
Yeah.
Dissect your head like when them do the frogging at the science class. Biology practical.
Practical, now that me a while ago. But dissect your brain like I know the frog in a science class, biology. Practical. But hold on there, man. The song only gone 36 seconds. And the amount of lyrics, the amount of bars over here so far. People, he name Intence. And the song will come like he up on a really intense killing spree. Go on.
Frank White, me play the kid, the venom in and me out leave a snake. Upside down the world on the shotty shake. No.
Right, I play this snake upside down the world, shotty shake. And the snake. Oh, cuz. How what the jungle bongo go on here, so people? Intence gone put a different kind of spray right now. Go on.
But that pull your gate, the Celtic me down the wave.
Yeah.
Ratchet on your face, dislocate your ears. Rearrange your body, make your foot touch your face.
Rotted. The man go relocate you. Dislocate. Chop off your foot to touch your feet. People, if a song you go on bad right now, like the video. Drop the fire emoji in the comment section right now. All of the Intence fans run out of the comment section with the fire emoji. I want 1,000 likes on that video right now. 1,000 likes I go for. You see what I say? 1K likes. Like up the video. You can do it. You watch the video right now and like it. Like the video. Take your mother phone, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle phone. Like the video. Go on.
Me put the B in a blood clot fucking brave. I saw me stay like the glad them we no carry safe.
Yeah.
Easy to trigger off, press the trigger till it break.
But glad them say put the D in a blood clot fucking brave. He put the B in a blood clot fucking brave. People, artist call, Intence, people, song call, pull up. We don't know if I tell them I tell them to pull up on the ends because apparently, but right, see that now? See that now? But I can't see what the blogger you go on to the man of people. I don't do reviews. Reaction bars, react to the words man come out of Intence mouth. But I can't see what the blogger come and say, yo, Intence song title pull up. Basically, Intence tell them say, yo, them for pull up on them ends because them claim say them go skate on them ends. Them claim say them go stop up a tavern and thing and thing. You can't see the blogger them chat now the dog do man them nice over there say you know the dog. We can't see it now. We can't come by YouTube and come do them thing that me. Now go do them thing there, brother. That's not me. That's not blood clean me. But we can't see how the man them chat you know dog. Bobo clean. Yo, we go for yourself. We go Chung Lad. People go check out Chung Lad, people. Yeah, go check out Chung Lad. High school is no the man they from. Run tune.
Pull up, gunshot that full up. Can't roll head, that's me that boat for me. Touch your face, me put the B in a blood clot fucking brave. I saw me stay like the glad them we no carry safe. Easy.
Like them say the glad them don't carry safe, you know. But me hear something say pull up, or whatever while ago. So that part them want catch more ears what you say, more ears what you just say Intence. So please slow down your lyrics and pull up. You see me I say, go on.
Trigger off, press the trigger till it break. Pull up, gunshot that full up. Can't roll head, that's me that boat for make it pull up.
Pull up, all good. So what you try to say? You are gonna pull up and gunshot go pull up them ends, them head, or them for pull up and gunshot go pull up them head when them pull up at your ends. Or which way you mean it? You can't mean it any way you want to mean it, you know. But if you go tell we now our next song, you know. You see me I say, run tune. I don't know if we run tune yet. Run tune.
Wait. The cat in a stomach. The J cut a plate. Bass, so run up and sing and one get it in a dog. Oh, them say you bad.
The J cut play bass in a stomach. People, the man named Intence people. Song called Pull Up. What do them know about this? Right, the man. Right, see that I'm tell you what the instrument is tonight. You know watch a Mexican drug lord show the dog. You know watch a Mexican drug lord show the people. Listen to the instrumental.
Better than that, no take no type of chat, leave up on WhatsApp. Nah, send nobody, me wanna mash your abs.
When you hear the instrumental, me know why I say matter what a while ago on the dog. You know some song better than me. Listen to the instrumental. When you hear what it sound like, when you watch El Chapo on YouTube, Netflix, some boy YouTube. When you watch El Chapo, Netflix people, go check it out. It's a bad bumbucky drug series. You see me I say El Chapo, got drug lad. This sound like, you know, Mexican drug cartel. And this is with the vibes to dog. You see me? Imagine you're a drug lad, brother. Hey, song you play in background.
Psycho break a life cut. Them no learn like a jugo wake on Michael. The rifle strike a light bulb. Leave a tree side bulb.
Imagine you're a drug lad and miss that song. But them not learn jugo wake on Michael to blood clot. Them not learn like him. People, yo. Them not learning like the jugo wake on Michael. No, how much song when you hear them and them come big up Michael in a. You hear about you, take you hear about you. What not say about Michael in our song? Michael University. Talk to them.
Size up like Hulk, two tang him right up. Them shot and another.
What on the size up like Hulk? What on there?
Two tang him right up. Them shot and another clip ya chop you on no teeth bite you.
Them shot you that clip ya chat you on no teeth bite you. Who no down grind me? Crocodile teeth. You can't see them but I'm not black and they talk right now with the dog yo. But tell them that I can come on by this and do them something but me nah do them thing that I know me that. But me man say something about Shrek. I Shrek him say? Or Hulk?
Side bulb, leave a tree side bulb. You coulda size up like Hulk. Two tang him right up. Them shot and another clip ya chop you on no teeth bite you.
Bucklad. Uno dog right. Once me hear that now, you see a shot then. Remember yo, Jano, this that song you bad. That song you bad. I like it. When you like the song, if you don't like the song, like if you don't copy the fire emotion right now. Right now. You don't do that already? Run tune, huh?
When you're dead beside the feds, when you walk up a 5-0. The yang ride out, suicide or drive out. GPS span them up, I know where I'ma find you.
You hear that? The dog say, don't know the boy man, but they could have beside that face man say no a couple 5 out. The yang are ride out. I want to be like with Intence that him ever maintain the yang thing in them song them because I know say him say yang man. Yang boss, you know, yang badness, you know. You hear me I say, so she send me po yang. You see me I say, yeah, yang bongs. You don't know a chap when I wake up I water set speed, you know. Run chum.
Place a rider, pull up, gunshot to that full up. Cane roll head. God them say you bad, very schizophrenic. Barrel that spin like a chain by sick sprocket.
My repeat over and thing. So yeah, my people, thank you for checking out my video. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. As me I say, big up to everybody who make it to the end of the video. Yeah? And I mean, really appreciate you taking the time out on the day to come watch the reaction, boss.